There's a whole way of increasing your employability. The way to do your career selection. It's not to start with the university or to start with the country. It has to start with the job role. Hello everyone, I'm Piyush, your study abroad coach, and me and my team help hundreds of students every day navigate their journey of studying abroad. Our team has a top accreditation from global authorities, and I'm myself a British Council certified counselor. From all my learnings of traveling around the world and meeting hundreds of students, I'm doing one-on-one counseling sessions to help you guys understand what you can do to make your career better. So let's get started with our counseling session today. See, I think the only thing, and I talk about this in my webinars, is the way to do your career selection. It's not to start with the university or to start with the country. It has to start with the job role, right? That's where your research has to start. That I want to do this job at this company, right? And then kind of backtrack what is required. What course do I need to have studied, or what knowledge or skills I should have, and which course can give me that knowledge and skills? And then come and say, okay, where is this course available, right? If that job is in a particular country, prefer to be studying in a university at that country because, for example, in India, DY Patil, a lot of people will know DY Patil and they will give value to it. But the moment you'll go to UAE, they will who DY Patil, we don't know, right? Right. And similarly, UAE University, people might give value to it in UAE, but the moment you'll come back to India, they'll be like, kaun sa university, we don't know, right? So start your search, spend your time on finding the job roles, the platforms that are Indeed and LinkedIn. Also, you can do like country-wise search, and there are different platforms that are there, and we can continue our conversation on WhatsApp and share more portals. But the idea is go in, check out the job, check the job description, see what skills they're asking for, what kind of experience they're asking for, what kind of pay they are giving, you know, then check those companies on LinkedIn. Where are those, people who are working in those companies? Where are they from? What they have studied? Reach out to them on LinkedIn, send them a LinkedIn request. There's a whole way of increasing your employability, building a strategically targeted network. I hope to do a session on that sometime and, share that with all my students. But that's to answer your question. Number one thing, start by looking at the job postings that you will be interested in. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's session and we had a great conversation here. And if you also want to have a one-on-one counseling session with me, feel free to reach out to me. There's a Calendly link in the description and book a slot with me. I wish you guys the best of luck for your careers and I hope I am able to be a part of it and help you guys take better calls. So see you guys soon in the next episode.